videoing.
Where are you doing? I don't know. We're having a house party.
Oh my, Mary.
I'm not sure whose house this is, but we've got all the nations here.
Say hi, Jeffy. Hi. Say hi. You're on camera.
Hey. Merhaba. I'm Sarika.
Konnichiwa.
Grease is sleeping in the shower.
Hey, Amelia. Yes, I am.
You're on video.
As you can see, I was busy, quite busy last night.
Say hi. Oh.
Hi. I got things to do. That was the girliest voice in the world. Hi.
I found a fake door.
Yes. I can't get on my Hi. So you guys like my house? It's pretty freaking awesome, huh?
This is your house? Sweet, your house is awesome.
I'm trying to
hi.
sleep. In my shower? Hey, lady.
Normal people.
Sweden, you're horrible. Sweden, you're horrible. You left your wife with Russia.
No, I'm horrible.
Don't leave me alone.
I will crush you.
Oh, God. Don't hurt him. No. No. No.
What?
Over here.
You're leaving me.
They need you.
Sweden. Sweden, you lame pizza.
Heroes!
What just happened?
You lame pizza at me.
Good job. I don't have to just rescue. There's a picture of the cat behind you. What are you doing?
Ivan.
My house is awesome. I'm not part of this orgy. I'm just in Norway.
We need to be. Yeah.
I don't know. Is that your pig?
Oh, what did I press?
We're just like,
Hug.
I like kitties.
and then Grease comes over. Hi, I don't know what Miss Lydia just did to me, but I don't want it to happen again.
I bit your leg.
I'm gonna hide in the shower. And the shower will get trapped by Grease.
I love when people are looking at us weird.
They keep coming in and leaving the second they see us.
We're cosplaying. What'd you do?
Comfy.
I'll put my mask on since we're here.
Put it on before I turn the video off.
In my bedroom. We like your bedroom.
Oh, I can see myself in the mirror.
Everyone has to hang out in my bedroom.
Get your mask on quick.
My bed.
Come on.
It's so comfy.
I'm going back to the.
Yeah.
Tell me when it's on. I'll be back.
I'm now cat.
Listen,
You missed everything. Good job, my friend. We're sending out cat. I don't think there's been this many nations in one house.
Oh my.
Finland and Russia became one.
And Lithuania died.
Jappy.
There you are. Hey, got my mask on.
Grease is behind you.
I
Don't.
thought I heard you gobbling all the way over here.
Alright, Hercules.
Yeah.
You better not be pulling that.
No.
Ooh, kitty.
Sold the